Landed Height Control 101. Planning to purchase your landed property? Watch this video before you decide. What are height restrictions all about, and what determines how high you can build your landed? This is height restriction, also known as the envelope control guidelines. Let's break it down. Now, what is this envelope? Think of it as an invisible 3D box that defines how tall and wide your house can go. You can design freely inside this box, but not beyond it. Above shows a 2-story landed zone that regulates the height limit of up to 12 meters, or 2.5-story, which includes an attic, while 3-story landed zone has a height limit of 15.5 meters, or 3.5-story. In the photo above, you can see an example of a 2-story zone. That means in this area, all landed homes are built up to 2.5 stories or 12 meters in height. So how does this matter to you as a buyer? Let's say you want to have an even larger build-up area. Your best option would be to look for a 3-story landed zone or a residential non-landed zone. Thirdly, some owners will opt for building a basement to add another usable floor plate to your home, which could be costly. Want to know how high you can actually build on your plot? Message me landed height, and I'll share a quick guide showing you how to check the height limit for any landed property in Singapore.